Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Friday, January 29th. It's our last Friday in January. Um, let's get started with the Pledge of Allegiance this morning. And then I've got a little activity I want to send you on a little mission this morning. So please stand at attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. And first of all, I want to give a disclaimer here, which is if your teacher wants to change this activity, go for it. I didn't clear this with your teachers, and I don't want it to take a lot of time. But if they already have other things planned and they're like, oh my goodness, this one's going to take too long, teachers, go ahead and change it as you need to. But here's what I want you to do. So we've been looking at that resource page in Summit this week. I'm going to share my screen again so we can look at that for a second together. Here we go. And we've been looking at this part about conquering test anxiety, right? And we saw some good things there. But I want to remind you that, a huge part of what we've been talking about in Summit this year is this idea of self-direction. And you've probably done some of that this week with you trying to think about and work on conquering test anxiety. I like that a lot. But I also want to remind you that this little resource page, this tab over here, this is on the student page of Summit. Look at that down there. I'm viewing as Makara right now. Makara this morning. That resource page is there for you. Teachers have totally separate resources. This is not on the parent page. I mean, it might be on the parent page, but we're not looking at the parent page right now. This is the student page and the student view. They put these things here for you. So we're going to show you other things out of here this year. Your teachers might have already used some of these, maybe some note-taking things throughout the year, but there's a lot of information here. So I want to give you a little mission. Take a couple minutes, and teachers, you can edit this and make it however long you want, but you can do it as quick as 2 or 3 minutes. Students, log on to your Chromebook, get on Summit, go to that resource page, and I want you to take 2 or 3 minutes to click around on one of these. I would definitely, if I was you, I'd be thinking of like something that I need to work on. So I look through this and I'm like, oh, setting SMART goals. Maybe that's a good one for me. Maybe breaking a big task into smaller chunks. Maybe I need to find out more about that test anxiety, or this one's going to be great, this process of elimination where you actually learn how to be a better test taker by looking at some of these. So your goal is take 2 or 3 minutes, look through these, try to find something interesting that you can share back to your class. And then in a few minutes, your teacher will bring it back together and you can start saying like, hey, look, what I found under this eliminating answers, here's a great way that I think like probably all of us can get an answer right every now and then just by doing this, not even by studying, by learning how to be a better test taker. Or here's a cool one I found under taking Cornell notes. I never really thought of it doing this way. Or check out this video if you don't understand this. Look, it's right there. So 2 or 3 minutes, find something cool and bring it back, show your class. Have a great day, Achieve, and have a great weekend.